So here we got the Pro-Ject sweep. It's in silver. Main idea of it is just to run around the surface of your vinyl as it plays, as I'll show later on. Pretty standard Pro-Ject boxing. Obviously always the logo. Foam. Molded insert. 2mm Allen key. Weighted base. It's pretty hefty. I'll weigh that later on, let you know what it weighs. This will be the arm that it sits on. It's also got a bit of weight to it too, actually. How did it connect? So inside is a grub screw, obviously. I'll do that later on. And the arm itself, counterweight at the end. I thought it'd be carbon, but it's actually maybe horsehair. It's quite soft, whatever it is. No instructions. Okay. That's the box. Part number 19302900001. Other side. So I'll have this facing away because I don't want to see that all the time. Pop it in. Very tighten. It's got velvet base as well. And that. That's it. Assembly took less than a minute then. Easy to do. Let's set up in the turntable. Alright, so here we are with it on the table itself. You can see that it actually sits very close to the edge. I mean, you could have it anywhere really on the plinth, but ideally you want to have it on the opposite end of where the actual stylus itself is running at the time. So I'll leave my arm up. Yeah, so it does. Yeah, it will sit right about there, I guess. Like that. Turn my turntable on. So it does run along. However, I'm not too sure how it would actually track too well on the grooves. Alright, as you can see in the footage, it does actually follow the vinyl towards the center, which is handy. Just going to read a bit of information about what the sweep it claims on the Pro-Ject website itself. So basically it says, cleaning a record collection can be tiresome. There are many ways to de-dust your precious collection. All of them one thing in common: you have to clean the records while they are put at rest. Sweep it E goes the other way. You can enjoy listening to your records while they're being cleaned. Simply place Sweep it E on your turntable and make sure that the brush is placed before the needle. This way the grooves will get clean right before the cartridge can pick up sound from it. Sweep it E is made out of durable and resistant aluminium to make sure it lasts a long cleaning life. With the heavy weight base, it stands firmly on your turntable. The uni-pivot arm follows the grooves of your record and cleans them effectively. When you don't need Sweep it E, you can simply put the arm on its dedicated armrest for a comfortable placement. The soft hairbrush guarantees that the records won't be harmed during the cleaning process. Now, on the website it claims it's about 450 grams, so it's a fair bit of weight, which is good. And I have another video of it showing the counterweight actually working pretty well against a record that was very warped, so I'll put that one on now. So as you can see, this album is really warped. I was quite surprised by the way that it's actually able to track the up and down movements, however. So here's a good shot of the counterweight on the end of the arm. It's doing well to keep up the tracking up and down forces. Overall quite surprised. Now I'm going to put up a photo showing where it was used in the first 3 tracks of the album, so you can see the dust on the right hand side of the photo.